Hi everyone, happy spring! Today we're making a fresh and savory noodle dish, Pian Er Chuan, a classic noodle soup from Hangzhou, also rated as one of the top 10 Chinese noodles. It's very simple to make and possess a natural umami taste, so let's get started. First off, we'll prepare the ingredients. Here are the lists you need. There are 3 key ingredients for the savory soup base. One is pickled mustard greens, which are pickled with salt and brine, so we want to rinse it slightly. The ones I got has a tiny bit of chili peppers in it, but if you can find the ones without the chili peppers, that would be better because the spicy flavor might overpower the umami flavor. We also have bamboo shoot. We'll peel it and cut it into slices. As the name suggests, bamboo shoots are the edible shoots of the bamboos. I am using winter bamboo shoot. Both bamboo shoots and pickled mustard greens are rich in amino acids, thus gives a strong umami flavor. In other words, the flavor you get from adding MSG, but we sourced it naturally. And pork loin, slice it into pieces. Marinate with some light soy sauce and shaoxing cooking wine. Moving on to the second step, stir fry. Heat up some oil in the wok. Add in the meat slices. Give it a stir fry. Then pour in the bamboo shoots. Continue to stir fry. And pickled mustard greens. When all the ingredients are mixed well and cooked, our pickled mustard greens, bamboo shoot, and pork stir fry is ready. It is actually a dish itself. You can serve it with rice. But we're going to take it one step further to make Pian Er Chuan, the soup noodle version of it. And that brings us to the last step, cooking the noodle soup. Add some water to the stir fry, bring it to boil. And add some salt. Our savory soup base is ready. Then add in the fresh noodles. Let it soak up all the delicious broth. When the noodles are cooked, our Pian Er Chuan is done, as simple as that. Scoop some noodles to a bowl, pour in some soup, top with some bamboo shoots and meat, and here it is, a bowl of warming and savory Pian Er Chuan. The delicious bamboo shoots and pickled mustard greens leave a pleasant aftertaste. Noodles are bouncy and flavorful. Hope you like this simple dish and stay tuned for more recipes like this.